In this video, I will review the best Windows 11 shortcuts. To zoom on the screen, you can use the Windows and plus keys. To get out of zoom, press the Windows and minus keys. To take a screenshot of all monitors, press the Windows and print screen keys. The captured image will be saved in the screenshot folder. As you can see, here we have screenshots of 2 monitors. Press the Windows and D keys to minimize all open windows. If you want to see the recently copied items, you can press the Windows and V keys. Here, I first copy the text this PC and then take a screenshot. When I press the Windows and V keys, as you can see, both of them are saved in the clipboard. You can press the Windows key and I to open settings. To create a new folder, use Ctrl-Shift-N keys. And use the F2 key to rename it. Use Ctrl-D keys to delete any item you have selected. To open the on-screen keyboard, press the Windows Ctrl-O keys. You can use the Windows and L keys to lock the computer or to change the account. Use the Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open the Task Manager. Windows and Up keys can be used to maximize windows. Windows and X keys can be used to open the quick menu. Use the Windows and T keys to switch between apps on the taskbar. Use the Windows and Tab keys to see the open task and create a virtual page. You can use the Windows Shift and S keys to take a screenshot of a part of a screen. Use the Windows and Z keys to open different windows on the screen. Use the Ctrl-Alt-Tab to see the open apps, and you can move between them with the arrow keys. To close the active windows, use the Alt and F4 keys. And if no windows are open, the computer shutdown message will open.